Hi, I'm Sienna Costin with New Home Lifestyles. We're showcasing the best in new home design from around the country. Today we're with Gehan Homes in Irving, Texas, taking a look at the Stonegate community. David Dushman is going to be showing us around the Rome plan. David, take it away.
Hi, I'm Dave Dushman with Gehan Homes. We're in front of the Stonegate model today. This is the Rome plan. I want to be your host and show you around. Come in. Welcome. I want to tell you a little bit about Stonegate today. This is a new community. Gehan Homes developed this subdivision. There's 206 home sites total. We opened the model last June. Sales are happening. It's moving quickly, so we're very happy with this subdivision. I want to tell you about this area. So we're like 20 minutes from downtown Dallas. We're 5 minutes from DFW Airport. There's a lot of things to do right around this area. So it's been well received. It is a high demand community. So with that being said, one of the questions that people ask is about the HOA. So in this area, we have HOAs varying from $1,000 to $3,000. We have different community associations. In Stonegate, we have one HOA and it's only $550 per year.
So David, one quick question about the HOA. Are there any other fees like an MUD or PID cost?
Great question. That is a pretty popular thing that's happening now, and that's something that consumers should be asking about. Is there additional taxes or costs? In this community, because Gehan developed it, there are no extra PID or MUD costs. You only pay for Coppell Independent School District, City of Dallas, Dallas County, and I'm missing one, can't think of it, but the total tax rate's 2.7. Okay, I want to show you the plan. Now this does have 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms down. So in the front room, we have a nice sized guest room. And a full bath. And one of the questions that people ask is if they have an elder parent that's going to stay with them is, can they do a stand-up shower as opposed to the bathtub here? Yes, and we do that quite a bit. Now this is a 40-foot wide home plan. And one of the challenges for builders is to make this feel open. And I think our architects have done a great job on that. The hallways are open. It feels great. We do have this really nice, luxurious spiral staircase. And as you enter to the right, we have a home study. It has great natural lighting. And we also have a formal dining on this plan. So this is great if you have a big gathering or just an intimate dinner. It has a nice place for that. And again, good natural lighting. Now I mentioned the open floor plan. When you transition into this area, this is what we call the great room. And we spend 90% of our time here in the kitchen and the family room. With the high ceilings, the expansiveness feels really nice. Now, for the foodies out there that like to cook, you'll love this kitchen. There's lots of countertop space, areas to prep, nice amount of cabinetry. So it is something that our people that love to cook will really enjoy.
Hey, David, we just got another question in. The person asks, well, he states the appliances are really nice. Are they expensive to add or do they come standard?
Great question. Actually, we put a lot of standard features in these homes. This is the Elite line for Gehan. So as we're talking about the cooktop, this is a 5-burner, 36-inch gas cooktop, and this would be an included feature. We've actually upgraded the dishwasher. It's a very quiet dishwasher. It has all digital readout. It's hidden controls. That's a standard feature. We've actually included double ovens, and these are convection ovens. So with convection ovens, they cook more evenly. They use a fan system to circulate the air. So the double ovens are actually included. Another thing that our buyers are really enjoying is the nice big wood cabinetry and the wood vent hood. Again, the 42-inch cabinets, the crown molding on top of that, that is a standard feature for us. Okay. Another thing that people like is the indirect lighting, the under cabinet lighting. And we included that in all of our Gehan Homes in Stonegate. Another thing that people like is the trash drawer, and that would be an included feature. And even a small detail like this, but there's a flip tray in front of the sink to put your sponges. And this is an included feature too. This house has lots of storage. So you'll notice on the left, we have a really nice big pantry. It's a walk-in. You can get all your Costco goods in there. Definitely enjoy that. And on your other side, you notice that we have additional cabinetry and space to set up for any kind of a party or dinner, and natural lighting again. Now, these are all front entry home, meaning the garage is in the front of the house. So your access for the garage would actually be coming in right here. So this is considered a transitional or mudroom area. And we do the mud cabinet as standard, a little bench, hooks to put backpacks and hats and coats and scarves. All this would be included in Gehan. And we actually have a walk-in laundry room. And in the laundry room, we do prep for gas and electric. So depending on which dryer you have, it is set up for you, and that is an included feature. Now, one thing that point out in this room is that the ceilings are 15 foot high. So again, it's a large room, but it feels even larger because of the height of the ceiling. Very comfortable. Now in North Texas, weather changes. It's 82 degrees 2 days ago. It's 28 today. So those things are going to change. So now this is a direct vent fireplace. The advantage to the direct vent is there's no maintenance to it. It is children's safety. This particular one is a little bit more traditional. We use the cast stone surround. However, if we want to make it more contemporary, we can use marbles or tiled, anything like that, even natural stone, if you want to change that, because that kind of changed the personality of this particular room. I mentioned 81 degrees 2 days ago, so we have really nice big covered patios. And something that our buyers really enjoy about this patio is we have a vaulted ceiling. So again, you're going to get the protection from the elements, but it's going to feel nice and open. This community does have privacy fences. We use top-of-the-line cedar fence with steel posts, and this will come as a community standard. So all of the community will look nice. You'll have nice privacy out here. And these backyards are large enough for outdoor living. And if you want to put a pool in, that would be a possibility also. One of the strengths of this home is the master suite, and I do think it's a master suite, not just a master bedroom. As you walk in, you feel the volume in here. The ceilings are elevated, so this is a standard feature that we put in these houses. Bay windows, this is something that people really enjoy, so you can have an area to sit down and read a book where it's quiet, have your own little space there. The bay is standard also. Everyone enjoys this master bathroom from the standalone tub, the size of it. This room is nice. In our showers, we do include the frameless glass, so it looks very nice, more contemporary. We include 2 shower heads in this plan. We even tile the ceiling of the shower to give a nice finish out. Things that people like about this is that there's many amenities that are included. For example, there's a nice big bench with granite. Granite's included in all of our bathrooms, master, of course, but even the secondary bathrooms. Things that people like that are included would be like a medicine cabinet. So just keep adding the details up. Another thing that we include is a magazine rack in the water closet. Okay. One other thing I want to point out is that we do the nice frame mirrors, and there's a nice plant shelf. Again, good natural lighting. Okay. Now in the master closet, we do a built-in shelf area for shoes, purses, things like that. And then we do an off-season rack on one wall so that if you have hanging areas for additional clothes, off-season clothes, you've got it. And something else that people like is a little bench to put your shoes, socks on, and a full-length mirror. And we do that standard in this community. So a nice master closet. I'd like to show you the upstairs now. Oh, one thing I do want to point out on the way up is the storage that we include under the stairs. So if we do have a bad weather situation, this is the safest place in the home. It's right in the middle under the staircase, and good place for kids to play hide and seek too. The wrought iron spindles that you're seeing is an included feature also. So it gives a nice open feel.
David, one quick question that we got. Is the bathroom and is the bathtub and the shower included in the master?
Yes, a standalone tub is an option, but the actual shower that I showed you with the two heads and the frameless glass and the tile on the ceiling is all included. Something that people like about this area as they're walking up is they like the art niches that we built into the curved staircase. And then to continue the feel of the curve, we actually accented the ceiling, and we have a 360-degree area of the ceiling. And people always comment on that and like that. As we transition from the stairs, we enter a game room. It's a really nice sized game room. And in addition to the game room, this plan comes standard with a media room. Now this plan is 3,750 square feet the way it would come standard. And then we have an optional fifth bedroom, which I'll show you in a moment. We good?
Yeah, we're good.
Okay, we lost you for a minute. Sorry about that. Technical difficulties. So I mentioned the game room, but we also have a media room. Now, what's unique about this is it's an open concept style. So you can have a media going, the big game, and flow from the game room. If you decide you'd rather have it independent and you want to close it off, we do offer to put doors, or you could put a curtain here. But we felt like the open concept has been well received, and it's a nice standard. Okay. And
Hey, David.
we're walking back to our secondary bedrooms. I want to point out that there's an overlook into the front
David?
end, so it creates a nice volume area.
Is that media room? Another question is that media room? Is there an option to put doors there to close off that media room?
Yes, there is. So some of the buyers have actually picked that option, but most have been leaving it open. And some have actually put a curtain on there. So it just depends on what the buyer likes. But we do have the flexibility if someone wants to close it off completely and make it a separate entity of a media room. Okay. What's nice is the curve that we talked about before. You can kind of feel that walking through this hallway has a curved feel. And then it opens into a really oversized secondary bedroom. You could really call this a second master because of the size of it. Again, good natural lighting, a big walk-in closet to this bedroom. And then just outside of this door is a bathroom, and this is a full bath, and we can do a stand-up shower if someone wanted to do that. Extra storage. So linen closet, things to put game room activities, things like that can go in there. And then this bedroom has a private bath. And there is a walk-in closet on the left. Now this tile is, a lot of people comment on this tile. It's actually designed to look like wood, but it really gets a lot of attention whenever I show people this home. Now I mentioned that the home is 3,750 square feet. That's the standard 4-bedroom, 4-bath version. On this one, we actually offer and put in a 5th bedroom. So otherwise this would be a solid wall, but here we turned it into a music room, but it is a full bedroom and bath. And when we add this room, the home becomes 4,114 square feet. Okay. Let's go back downstairs. This home has a great flow. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the tour, the room model. We have a second model called the Berlin, and on a future video, I'd like to show you that. In the meantime, if you have any questions or if there's anything that we could do, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Have a blessed day.
Thanks, David. Be sure to keep tuning in for more new home showcases.